Okay, eighth graders, this year is going to be a little bit different. If you remember, after we did a unit of math, we did KeyMath. This year, this is going to start out as a must do for this week. After this week, they will become should do's. So this is KeyMath. Remember, KeyMath helps fill in the gaps that we may have in our math skills. I need you to do your best, show all your work, read and follow all directions. So on this first page, it says to solve each problem, show your work in the box, write your answer on the line. So for example, to start off with, it says Jill picked 324 apples, Tad picked 271 apples. How many apples did they pick in all? Well, that word of in all means to add. So we are going to add our problem. So over here in the box, we're going to write 324 plus 271. And when I add, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer is 595 apples. And this page has a label already there for you, so you don't have to worry about labeling them. So what you're going to do is you're going to finish these 5 problems and then go on to the next page. This one is an addition page. What you're going to be doing is add by 10 or 100. So on this first one, I know there's a hole there, but it is a plus. So you're going to take 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 10 is 33. 33 plus 10 is 43. 43 plus 10 is 53. 53 plus 10 is 63. 63 plus 10 is 73. And 73 plus 10 is 83. So it is all addition, and the numbers are all right, all right here of what you're going to add, either tens or 100s, and then write them on the line. Finish this page and then go on to the next. All right, this page is a subtract by tens or 100s. It's the same as the page before, only this time you're subtracting. So finish this page and then go on to the next. This is just bringing your skills in. It is a word problem that you need to read and solve the problem. Remember to write your answer and show me any work that you use, any resources. So when you are done with this and the whole thing, you are going to submit it to me through Canvas. Good luck, have fun, enjoy.